Hello, my name is Mr. Cheung. I'm the IT teacher in charge from Tongyi Winifred Major Morninghope School. This is my second year teaching in this school, actually. Yeah. Actually, this is a nice journey. Our school has 30 students to participate in this competition. Well, first of all, I asked them some questions. Do you want to have some nice journey, magical journey? And I asked what do they want. For example, for my champion team, the two students, they love the rabbits most because they think the rabbit is very kind, so they think of rabbits. And then they think of some innovation. They like to have the car drive to the moon, and with the camping car and a sub-cooking, and with a harmonic atmosphere and magical moment. And that's all, but every student we try about 1 or 2 ways to use the from the generative AI to generate of the pictures, and they keep generating and try and so on and get it. It's quite magical. Yeah, it's very user friendly, especially it can use of the Chinese wording. You know, for the other platform, if you use Chinese, exactly do the things the student want. The first time every team of students, when they press the enter for the wordings and generate a picture, whoa, amazing. And that's all. Yeah, they think it's amazing because their imagination can come true. Every team of the student, they think it's amazing because their wordings can generate the pictures. For my school in this year, our school, the new strategy is that use the generative AI in every subject for the student to learn, to solve the problem, and help them to self-learning. Well, I have introduced this platform to some of my colleagues. Well, they think this platform is very user-friendly, except for the generative pictures, wordings, and PowerPoint. But the problem is that the student is difficult to use for login. The problem is login. I just asked some of the other colleagues, is that it's possible to link up together for tailor-make some platform for the students to management. Thank you, Alibaba, very much. Yeah, amazing. Thank you. Keep going.